based on reliable and specific information that one person is selling drugs to customers near Daboli Airport, Vasco police team conducted a raid and caught red-handed one Makund Jana, age 62 years, a native of GANJA, Orissa, and a labor contractor for a ongoing project at Daboli. He was found in illegal possession of 4 kg ganja, all worth ₹4 lakhs. The accused person was taken into custody. We have seized the ganja and further investigation is in progress to ascertain the source from where he has procured this particular narcotic drug. This is the third case which we have booked for the current year. Our drive against narcotic drive continues and we are determined to conduct further raids and put our best so as to put a stop for the ongoing narcotic trade which destroys the youth and families. That's all I have to say.